rare occasions when you outtake me.
What is that?
Freaking. Shun the go. What do you need? What do you need? I got it.
Oh, sorry.
That's all right. Freaking wild.
The slap. I don't know. Sorry.
What's your meeting? What's your name?
Go.
So big shout out to Canary and everyone too. All right, one for the Milk Cup Championships.
One of the Milk Cup Championship. Currently, I'm just quickly trying to gather as many resources, much shield as possible. I'd almost wager that they're setting up a fight.
I wonder how early these fights were. It was filling out the competition, setting the tone. Maybe Grill was even coming in live on the track and your head stands. I mean, everybody different rising and a whole world of trouble here. Just try and do what you can to escape. Shield, and she's hoping for the best, playing around coverage and then burning on the
Gaming. This. Hey, Bob. Thank you, guys.
My sister's like 10.
Studio, there's loads of people behind the.
Does come with you got a wallet, right? Yeah. It does come with a poster.
Okay.
Yeah. So let him know and then he'll grab you the poster.
Yeah, cool. Just the room poster.
Yeah.
You have any room posters left?
That one I'm not sure. We got
Science fiction movie from the 50s called It Stars a Robot named Bobby the Robot. And Bobby looked up on the tribute to Bobby the
Is amazing, the talent. Oh my God. Have you guys enjoyed yourselves today? Yeah. Well, I hope you're coming back tomorrow, but for right now, we are about to get this party started on the main stage. If you are in the back, come on down here. We want a nice full house because this is going to be great. Because, you know, this is the best showcase of cosplay in the United States. That's right, it's our 9th annual Cosplay National Championship at Los Angeles Comic Con!
Ladies, gentlemen, and nerds like us, please welcome your host, the Geek Gatsby, the Baron of Badassery, the Lord of Laser Tag, the dirtiest of the nerdiest. Make some noise for MC Bernie. What's up, LA Comic Con? How we doing over here? Thousands of people, let me hear you all the way to the back. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together. Scream and cheer for my incredible co-host. You know her from the host of the Star Wars High Republic show, Critical Role, Bob from Dimension 20, and Tiga Kriel from Kenobi, also my co-host from Nerd Talk Live, Christina Ariel.
Hey, y'all. I do not have exciting theme music, but I can do this.
Shout at the Devil works for you too.
You know, it works.
You play, you know, like sometimes a tiefling or something, who knows?
I'm more of an ASMR and a bard, but mostly an angel. So I'm the angel on the shoulder and you're the devil on the shoulder.
Right!
We figured it out, guys.
Speaking of angels and devils, I'm sure we're gonna have some Has-Been Hotel in a little bit.
Oh, I'm so excited.
Right?
The costumes we
Got
have.
some Has-Been fans out there? Oh my, look at this. We have like
5,000 people right there. This is amazing. Are you guys ready for the cosplay contest? Bleachers full over here. It's going back to the door right there.
I'm so excited. There is some incredible craftsmanship that you guys are about to see. If you're here, you know how much work and heart goes into these costumes, and just to show how much you love something, and that's what you're about to see. A lot of love and passion on display, and we are so glad to share it with you today and give out some incredible prizes.
Guys, there is so much money on the line right here, and you're about to see it. $25,000 in prizes is going to be given away on this stage. Give that up for Los Angeles Comic-Con doing that for the cosplayers. You guys having a good con out there? We having a good day today? Who's coming back tomorrow? I'll be back tomorrow. Yeah? Yeah! Full weekend, people. Love that. Love that. So, 3,000 to the novice, 5,000 to the journeyman, 7,000 to the master winner, and Best in Show is going to walk away with I love the big check. Have you given away a big check before?
I've never given away a big check, and I'm so excited about it.
Hey, can Christina hold the big check when it comes out?
This is the greatest moment of my life. Don't tell my children.
All those years watching Price is Right and the other stuff, and we get to hold the big check finally, right? Yes.
I'm basically like Vanna.
Yes! Give it up for Christina's fit right here. How about that?
That's why I'm not a mom.
So we have some incredible judges that are going to help us decide who is going to get the really, really big prizes right there. You guys ready to meet the judges?
I missed it.
Please welcome to stage Jacqueline Goner, a longtime cosplayer, our resident lead judge with nearly 2 decades of cosplaying, 15 years of professional costume design for the film and television industry. And, you know, she does it for fun, too, just like the rest of us. Enjoys teaching fellow cosplayers everything she knows, from armor to special effects, makeup to electronics. Has an incredibly diverse knowledge and skill set, and is absolutely amazing. Give it up for Jackie. The Good Witch.
And coming up next, we have one of my personal favorite cosplayers, and someone I've been a fan of for a very long time, Lucky Grimm. She comes from over 25 years of experience in the costuming world as a professional seamstress, makeup artist, and wardrobe stylist. She's worked on multiple films, theaters, and fashion brands, and in the cosplay world, she's won multiple Masters and Best in Show awards across the United States, and now helps organize the next generation of competitors. Also give it up for this outfit because she's working it.
That Beetlejuice fit is working. Hey, Beetlejuice, you loving that or what?
It's the ghost with the most, babe.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you are on the internet, you've seen some incredible transformative images from Kelton Effects. Please welcome Kelton Ching to the stage, a makeup artist and sculptor with over 10 years experience working in the film industry, an award-winning fabricator who won BlizzCon 2018 for, by the way, the Mail Symmetra was amazing. Also works in the gaming industry for companies such as Respawn and Larian Studios. Ladies and gentlemen, Kelton Ching. Kelton, if you're going to give me a read, you got to walk slower, buddy.
Listen, that's the past. And now in the present, we'd like to welcome Angie Viper. Angie has been cosplaying since 2000 and is a proud member of IATSE Local 705, Motion Picture Costumers, making costumes for film and TV with credits including Marvel's WandaVision, Star Wars Ahsoka. Angie works with a variety of techniques and materials, including sewing, leatherwork, foam fabrication, Warbler, 3D printing, molding, and casting, electronics, wig styling, shoemaking, and everything in between. She's an active participant in the competitive cosplay community, proudly serving on judging panels in addition to competing with Best in Show awards at WonderCon and LA Comic-Con.
My first time handing out a big check was to Angie. Yeah, that was awesome.
That's right. Oh, was it the Elsa?
Yeah, it was the Elsa. That was the Elsa.
Not a fan.
Amazing. All right, we have, by the way, a record number this year of costumes that are so big, we need to use the lift gate. And even one, we'll get to that later, that can't get on the stage and will pop out from behind a curtain at some point. So, you guys are about to see some really incredible work. Are you guys ready? That was not loud enough because these people put dozens of hours of work into their costumes. I'm gonna need to hear just a little bit of cosplay! It is time for the novice category. This category is limited to encourage new people into costuming and competitions. Entries for this category have not competed in journeyman nor master categories at prior LA Comic-Con or masquerades or cosplay competitions. That doesn't mean that it will be any less because every year we've had novices that should probably be in master category because there is so much talent out here in Southern California. You guys are absolutely amazing.
Yes, all right, are we ready to begin? First, we'd like to welcome Little Bear. Here's Little Bear as Jinx from the show Arcade. Jinx is the first cosplay she's made entirely. She had to learn how to do basically everything along the way, and some of those things include pattern making, leather work, prop making, and so much work. They did an amazing job, and we love to see it.
We're gonna have to step over this way because you're getting your first Liftgate cosplay right now. Ladies and gentlemen, John does cosplay as Lego Batman. Nearly 7-foot tall Lego figure took roughly 4 months of Weekend Warrior building to complete. It was constructed almost entirely of cardboard, EVA foam, and hot glue, probably a few prayers. Regardless of what it's made of, it's still a night-stalking, crime-fighting vigilante in a heavy metal wrapping machine. But regardless, he is ready to go. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for John Does Cosplay.
No parents. Your song is not humble. But you have to wait a minute.
All the folks that are helping the backup stage, all the stage hands, the AV team in the front of the house right there.
One might say
Aaron
this is
and the
how we
team in
do
the back
it.
on the audio.
Welcome, Wumble Tumble, and Rusty from Five Nights at Freddy's. We have the one and only Wumble Tumble. They have brought one of the most mysterious animatronics from Five Nights at Freddy to life, starting off with a 3D modeling the character to printing the model for over 12 months and sanding down many resin coats to finally clear coat the beautiful paint job. Watch out though, because if you get too close, you just might get stuck into killer animatronic just like they did. Oh my gosh, the motion, the movement, this is absolute.
Pokemon as V from Arcane, Vi rather, sorry. Patterned most of the garments themselves, 3D modeled, printed, and finished the articulated gauntlet prop. Smaller details on the costume were also 3D modeled or printed or made with foam. This is their third iteration of this cosplay, with it being fully remade or significantly altered each time. This is a 2.5-year project in the making. And you look just like the character.
Thanos gauntlet could never. And coming to the stage, straight from the Netherrealm, is Havoc and his cameo, Cyrax. Cyrax's armor is completely made from scratch by 13-year-old Jackson Courier for his first ever cosplay. These two are ready to finish all who stand in their way.
Finish him!
I'm sorry, 13 years old? I know!
Wait, but why is he 6 feet tall at 13?
Listen, kids grow very
That
fast
stuff wasn't
these
in the
days.
water
You know
when
how
I was
much
that
clothes?
All right, ladies and
Thank
gentlemen.
you so much to the
Guard Von. Oh my God, I can't announce this. Rusville from Fire Emblem The Three Houses. Over 3 months, Lynn patterned and constructed this cosplay, focusing on details such as the intricate applique. See, I knew that one. And regal red cape. Every piece of the outfit.
The bodysuit, wings, and accessories were patterned by Brad themselves in an exact fit. The design was tape pattern and backline between the mesh rhinestones were also added to make the costume shine even more. The feathers were cut from packing foam and carefully glued
welcome Andrea to the stage with a little help from Chrissy Lynn, who produces this cosplay contest. I asked if we had Has-Been Hotel fans. This will not be the last you hear of Has-Been. We have a special guest performing you tonight. Vox Tech Enterprises is here. Always been at the forefront of entertainment. Please welcome our CEO, Vox.
Thank you so much, Andrea.
Chrissy,
Next we have I have to give it up for the laughing face that's happening on the screen as they turned around. So next, let's give it up for Bear as Pulse Blade pilot from Titanfall 2. Hailing from the front lines of the frontier, a top-of-the-line pilot, hero to the frontier militia, and feared enemy of the IMC. A pilot is nothing to sneeze at, and neither is this pilot. With its pulse blade, a piece of thrown equipment which emits a sonar pulse, giving the user a visual impression.
To the stage as Davy Jones, a self-taught special effects makeup artist and cosplayer, loves to share her journey in experimenting on Twitch. She never entered a cosplay contest before, but thanks to the Twitch chat, she worked up the courage and picked Davy Jones because a viewer challenged her to try when she said she could never do it. And I think she did it really, really well.
Give yourself all the props, because you made all of it. Next, we are welcoming Zombri as Dark Deku. Our next contestant is the extraordinary Zombri, contest the brooding and powerful vigilante Dark Deku from My Hero Academia. This is their second handcrafted My Hero Academia costume, which shows the incredible ink detailing on the foam elements, a realistic wear and tear effect, an intricately designed EVA foam mask, which took an astonishing 50 hours to complete, and detailed gauntlets and a weather cape. With all the odds against him, this Dark Deku is going to have to go plus ultra to take on the symbol of evil, all for
Plus Ultra! By a custom modeled ponytail base that is 3D printed just like the rest of the props. And they are ready to make Lady Shar proud. Give it up for Siori! Staff, by the way, is incredible.
Let's give it up for all of our novice entries.
As Alistar from Has-Been Hotel. The Radio Demon showcases over 3 months and 120 plus hours of work. Everything was handcrafted down to the smallest of details, including the sleeve smocking done by hand, as well as a wired microphone that really does talk. I might need to borrow that thing. Rosie spent hours hand stitching and utilizing new techniques to enhance this costume, and a whole lot of Swarovski. Just wow.
Just the beadwork alone, it's so intricate. Incredible work.
Dude, Has-Been is just crushing these days.
Next up, we have Sweet Nora cosplays as Sia from The Legend of Zelda. This is Sweet Nehru cosplaying. This costume took 400 hours. Over months of revisions, alterations, and stripes throughout were mathematically devised while plotting out the flat pattern. Unseen is a custom design-made corset. The 3D aspects were made with foam, covered with fabric, then sanded and spray painted or cast in resin.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Catherine Everything as Tab, a tiefling bard from Baldur's Gate. That is just one of the best loud costumes I have ever seen in my life. Fresh off the non-alloyed Catherine Everything is Tab. You can beat Baldur's Gate 3 in around 100 hours. Catherine spent the same amount of time sewing this cosplay. There are hundreds of hand-cut and hand-stitched leather pieces. The doublet and pants were hand-patterned, custom-dyed, and sewn from linen. Outfitted with a handcrafted tail and horns, this tiefling is ready to save Faerun and serve Faerun.
From Star Wars with Phantom Menace. Laurel has spent over a year putting this cosplay together. It features a blend of sewing, hand-beading, embroidery, foam work, and wig work. The hand-beaded chest piece and sleeves alone took 30 hours to complete. The skirt and tunic were pleated with a self-made pleat board and adorned with of rhinestones. The red coat has pockets. The The gold rope measures 110 feet and were braided by hand and sewn on. The wig adornments are made with expanding foam that was sanded, painted, and had wig heads attached. Chandelier earrings are embroidered and covered in red and blue rhinestones. Fun fact, the makeup and lipstick are screen-accurate products used by Natalie.
Female adventurine from Honkai Star Rail. Oh, the anime crowd showed up, huh? For this design, she took inspiration from the game's futuristic asymmetrical character designs, as well as incorporating Aventurine's original gambling-based design motifs. This costume combines a wide variety of techniques, from hand-done timbre, embroidery, and beading to 3D modeling, printing, and all the pieces were made or modified by her and include many sparkly little details.
An original Mandalorian of the Old Republic era who will certainly bring you in cold. Lando spent approximately 1 year working on this armor, with all armor and weapons being originally sculpted on the computer before 3D printing and painting to finish with various paints, including an immense amount of rough and buff. All leather and soft goods were originally conceptualized and executed by Lando with the help of his loving wife's guidance at his first attempt at sewing.
We didn't plan this, and the actual Star Wars Blix from Legends. Feel free to start singing Dance Magic Dance out there. I won't blame you. From the 85 classic Legend, bringing you Lord Darkness's most trusted servant, a goblin whose heart is so black and full of hate, he will not flinch at killing the last 2 unicorns and plunging the world into eternal night. It is Blix, the goblin of your nightmares. This costume is made from resin, silicone, leather, and black magic. There will be unicorn blood tonight. Yes, mashup time!
Yes, from a Marvel combo of Deadpool and Venom. Here is...
And it's big.
I feel like we're having a slow dance-off, and I appreciate that.
No, you guys should have a dance-off.
Can we?
Yeah! Yeah, sing it up!
Come on! It's Venom Josh! This costume was made over the past year with Revolution FX. Between the hand molding, foam, latex, leather, cloth, and paint, you can see Venom Pool is ready to eat your head with tater tots and chimichanga.
As Guts, Griffith, Casca, and Zod from Berserk. This is a journey into the dark and gripping world of Berserk, with stunning portrayals of Guts, Casca, Zod, and Griffith. Witness the embodiment of strength, valor, ferocity, and ambition as they bring these legendary characters to life before your eyes. Get ready to be captivated by the epic saga of struggle, survival, and destiny here at Los Angeles Comic-Con. Sir, this is the no smoking area. The signs and everything.
1998 restaurant. Somebody's on. It's me. We want to give it up one more time. Thank you guys so much for being here with us. And that's grateful that we have a platform like this to give them the attention that they deserve for the work that they put in, to come here and entertain all of you, all of us, and to bring joy to so many. But we'll start our Masters entries off with Poppy Lop Cosplay as Valkyrie Noel Silva from Black Clover. With the lives of her friends at stake, Noel Silva must reach deep inside of herself to uncover the true power of the water spirit. Witness Poppy Lop Cosplay as Valkyrie Noel surpass her limits.
Just incredible. Holy cow.
Detail on the wig. There's rhinestones in it. I don't even want to know how many hours of that is just rhinestones.
I mean, we couldn't kick off Master. Madoka from Quella Magi Madoka Magica. Both costumes took approximately 650 hours total to make, from unique pattern drafting to hours of rhinestone work. Hamura features linear actuator power wings. I think we're about to get a demonstration of that. Hand-sewn sequin gloves, over 600 handmade feathers, and hours of hand beading. Madoka features dip-dyed fabrics, hand rhinestone, with inspiration from figure skaters, along with various sequin and beaded embellishments throughout the costume.
Tremendous work. Thank you all so much. Coming up next, we have Mean Lil Kitty as Cass the Minstrel from Zelda Breath of the Wild. Cass is a minstrel who travels throughout Hyrule Kingdom in search of the ancient song. He has left his family and hometown of Rito Village to fulfill the final wish of his teacher, the court poet. Mean Lil Kitty worked on this costume for over 4 months, creating it out of foam, hand-trimmed faux fur, silicone, and other materials. She even sculpted the head out of clay and cast it out of plastic.
Posting this, this is honestly incredible. Please welcome to the stage, ladies and gentlemen, Carnival Rhythms Cosplay as Bloody Queen Lady Bella from Identity V. This build is a passion project that's been continually updated over the years, hundreds of hours of work. All the jewelry is handmade and the bodice is steel bone, sourced from vintage fabrics, which is an incredible amount of work. Appliqued with vintage laces, the costume itself draws a lot of inspiration from Satine's pink diamond and ivory bridal outfits in Moulin Rouge. And she wanted to pay homage to that by researching the historic...
Those pieces matter, okay? Coming up next, we'd like to welcome Nick the Prop Guy as Deadpool Bot. This cosplay took approximately 4 months to build, made out of mostly EVA foam and weighing in at nearly 60 pounds. It features 2 red reflective swords, 2 sci-fi pistols, and internal LEDs throughout most of the costume, and a giant sci-fi rail cannon. Deadpool Bot is built to style on his enemies and destroy them in the most epic ways possible. Thank you so much for sharing your work with us, Nick.
Now we're gonna have you hang out up here because the next one's all, maybe don't decapitate a host, but you know.
I'm here for the dance break. This is incredible. Somewhere Gorilla's through.
All right, our next one is ready. I have seen Blake here at LA Comic-Con for several years now. Please give it up for Blake Lair as a Blade Guardsman Larius from Warhammer 40K. This is his most grandiose costume yet, can confirm, portraying his own self-inserted character, Ultramarine Larius. With righteous zeal and resolve, he grants the Emperor's justice upon the heretic and Xeno that plague our Imperium.
Demetrescu from Resident Evil Village. Henry as Alcina Demetrescu, as seen in her 1840s portrait that hangs on the Bell Puzzle Room in Resident Evil Village. The dress took 3 months of sewing. Pieces of the brooches were 3D printed and bejeweled and hand-painted. Her signature 3 black roses she wears as reference to her... Thank you,
At all. So if I can get you to all crane your heads over to your right, my left, over here. And please welcome Beyonder Joe Creations as Warhammer Dreadnought from Warhammer 40K. A 3-year concept finally made real over 4 months, 500 hours, and with only a single builder to make this cosplay rendering of a Warhammer 40K character. Every piece cut and glued into place by hand. It's called a Salamander Dreadnought. It's made entirely out of EVA foam materials, no 3D printed parts, 7 feet tall and 6 feet wide.
When we talk about the dedication and talent and skill that go into this, these are the things that we are talking about.
That is insane.
I feel like I did something when I put on makeup.
Right.
Look at the armor. Woo! Just incredible.
Guys, it's not hyper crowd work. I really think this might be the most impressive year of LA Comic-Con Cosplay Contest that I've ever been a part of. This is absolutely amazing.
Are you guys enjoying what you're seeing? Give it up for those cosplayers. And remember, it's not only the hundreds of hours that we've been talking about and learning new techniques and all the different things that go into making these costumes. It is the sheer courage to get up on this stage and show you guys and be in front of like almost 10,000 people just right up this aisle right here.
Their hearts or whatever angels have.
This is gonna be so bad.
Cheer up, Alistair. This could be swell. Something tells me that today is gonna be a happy day in hell.
She's don't sing about it, but she's already halfway down the stage. I can't do anything about this guy, sorry.
There's a warm, fuzzy feeling that wafts through the air. Every street's so revealing, it's hard not to stare. It's around so appealing, it beats anywhere. If you don't mind the smell, it's a happy day in hell.
By the way, they don't know who's winning, so they're all like, oh, it's me, and they're running up here.
My honorable mention's going to Monica and Homura.
Ah, here they come. Madoka and Homura!
My honorable mention is going to Delaney as Winter Bell. She's so pretty and she gave me a flower. That's not why she got my honorable mention, it just helped. Oh yay, congratulations!
competitions interest for this costume. Category have not competed in Journeyman nor Master categories in a prior LACC masquerade. So our winner, our third place.
We're gonna go 3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1, countdown. 3, coming in at third place, it's Jinx, and 1,
Little Bear.
You should see the cutest run that's happening right now.
Christina, this is the best part, is the excitement. This is the rewarding part of doing this right here. Let's go ahead and have you stand up right over here, and you'll be joined by the other placements right there. You hang out there. In second place, as Shadowhearted Siori.
That 20 is so bad. I probably was still rolling out.
Let's have you guys hang out back there. Please welcome Sweet Naru Cosplay. You step over here, Lane? Yes, thank you. All right, it is time for the master category. Oh yes, let's get a whole category picture. Thank you for directing, Jackie. Third right here.
Third place is going.
again for coming to this production, this amazing Cosplay National Championship. I've been doing this since 2011, and I'm so glad it gets bigger and better every single year. It gets amazing. I love my hosts. Thank you for my hosts and my judges every year. All the contestants. We couldn't do this without this entire team, including the convention itself. So, to announce Best in Show. The check, please. We love a giant check. Christina really wanted to hold the giant check. Oh, it doesn't say their name, so I can turn it around. $10,000. And this is from the Michael J. Fox Foundation. Best in Show goes to Blinks from Legend.
Black Welder Artisan, you are the best in show. If you can hold that, that's fine. There you go. Right up here. And Vanna, if you will. Vanna Ariel, that's your new handle. Incredible. All right, let's get all the winners. I want to get a picture with all the winners. There we go. Let's get you front and center. Everyone gather around. We'll pick stuff, find a spot somewhere. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up to all of the competitors.